Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Dogelon Mars first broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on a 7 days time frame chart, and after that it also broke out another up channel, and this was one of those videos. And after breaking out the up channel, the price end was trying to break out a very long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, the price line is rejected by the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. We had a long spike up to this very strong and long-term resistance of $0.00000042, and the price line also got strongly rejected by this resistance as well. By the way, this 42 $0.00000042 has been previously working as a resistance here and support here and resistance here, and now again it worked as a very strong resistance. And after one bounce from this support of this previous resistance of the channel that was working as a support now after the breakout, and the price line also got bounced from this support zone that starts from 2.5 and goes to 2205. The price line again moved down and broke down all these support levels, and now it is testing the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Sun, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 4th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And here you can see that for the past several months, even years, since after October 2021, it was moving inside this very long-term falling wedge pattern. And by the way, we found the support here after this huge drop in the month of June 2022. And finally, after getting squeezed inside this right, the price line broke out the resistance. And you can see that while moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern, the price line also found the support and resistance of this sub channel as well. And finally, we broke out the resistance here in the month of March 2024. And after the breakout, the price line is strongly rejected by this very long-term resistance of $0.00000042, and also got rejected by this long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. This is a very huge resistance. Therefore, we need to still break out this resistance even after breaking out this falling wedge pattern in order to continue this rally to the upside. And once Dogelon Mars will be able to break it out, this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, then it can start a very massive rally, and it can even turn more bullish as well. Right now, you can see that after this rejection, it has broken down this resistance of the channel that was working as a support. And this was a very significant support zone that starts from 2.5 and goes to 2205. And you can see that previously for several months, it had been working as a support here. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a very strong resistance zone. We got rejection here. We got several rejections here. And after the breakout, it was breaking as a nice support. We had a nice bounce here, but finally we have broken it down. Therefore, now it can be also another very strong resistance for the price line. And we will again need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside. By the way, this time if the price line will be moved more down, then it can test the support of the channel somewhere here approximately at 1583. And at the same time, you can see that stochastic is also entering the oversold zone. And therefore, I'm expecting that soon we may see a price correction. Like previously, we had this bounce when it was moving at the support of the channel, and it was entered the oversold zone. You can see the price and turned bullish and broke out the channel here. And this time, you can see it is again entering the oversold zone. Therefore, as soon as we receive a bull cross between the blue line and this orange line, if this blue line will cross up the orange line like it did here, then we may see that price crash into the upside and the price end may try to break out the resistance of the channel once again and try to break out this very huge resistance line as well. And it can also try to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this up channel, then target for the breakout, by the way, previously it was here at this resistance of 4.2, and you can see after the breakout, the price and achieve that target. And this time, if it will be able to break out this channel once again, for example, if it will break it out from here, then the next target will be between these two resistance levels, approximately at 4720. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern, because we have broken out this very big falling wedge pattern, therefore sooner or later the price can hit that target, and that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That will be 5 times 0 double to $76. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.